Everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the Quick Mill Monza. This machine was having issues with the motor making a kind of a grinding sound. And that was basically because this entire area was super dirty and caked up. The design really doesn't help. This kind of raw aluminum lends to grounds sticking to it quite immediately. And so this mechanism, this kind of sweeper that kind of brushes off to clean and move the puck here into the coffee grounds bin, was getting stuck right here, and the motor isn't super strong, so if it encounters any resistance, then you're just going to hear this loud kind of clicking, grinding sound. But now we have like completely disassembled everything, re-lubricated, re-cleaned, and looks like night and day compared to before, and it works great. So we just pulled 10 shots in a row, and we're confident that everything is fine. So we're actually going to pull the 11th now, and This machine needs to be cleaned very often, and you can see why. Espresso looks really good. And it looks like they have it programmed for about 1 ounce. Sweeper knocked the puck over, but you can see how this stuff will just like accumulate, so it really does need to be cleaned daily. But everything's working out just fine, and so there you go. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel.